Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see exercise 4.3 question number 3 of class 8. Parallelogram HEAR. Okay. So I have already drawn a rough figure over here. HE is 5 centimeter, EA which is 6 centimeter, angle R is 85. Okay. See, now this figure is a parallelogram, so we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are same. So HE is 5 centimeter, then RA will also be 5 centimeter. Similarly, EA is 6 centimeter, then HR will also be 6 centimeter. And also opposite angles are also same. Okay, so angle R is 85, so angle E is also 85. So first what we will do, we will draw this HE 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter on your rounder, or sorry, on your scale. Take 5 centimeter on your scale. Okay, draw a line. Yes, name it H E. Okay, now what we will do, we will draw this angle E or point E as angle 85 with the help of protractor. Okay, so draw 85 degree at point E with the help of protractor. Okay, so this is 85. Yes. Okay, now see, we will draw EA which is 6 centimeter with the help of rounder. Okay, so take 6 centimeter on your rounder. Take point E as a center and draw one arc like this. This point is point A. Okay, name it point A. Now what we will do, see, now HR is 6 centimeter. Okay, so take H as a center and take 6 centimeter on your rounder and cut and draw one arc like this. Yes, now AR which is 5 centimeter, so take 5 centimeter on your rounder. Take 5 centimeter on your rounder. Yes, take point A as a center and cut this arc like this. Okay, now this intersection point is point R. Now join HR, join HR and join AR. Okay, so this is our required parallelogram HEAR. Now we will move to next question, which is question number 4. A rectangle OK. Okay, so OK is 7 centimeter, KA is 5 centimeter. Okay, so we know that in rectangle also opposite sides are same. So OK is 7, then Y will also be 7 centimeter, and KA is 5 centimeter, then OY will also be 5 centimeter. And we know that in rectangle all the angles are of 90 degree. Okay, all the angles are of 90 degree. Yes, so first we will draw OK which is 7 centimeter. Okay, the base which is 7 centimeter. Yes, now we will draw 90 degree at point O. Okay, so randomly open your rounder. Okay, and draw 1/2 semicircle like this. Yes, now draw angle 60, then take 60 as a center and draw angle 120, because we know that 90 degree is between 60 and 120. Okay, now from 60 draw one arc, and from 120 bisect this arc. This is 90 degree. Okay, so at point O we draw 90 Now similarly we will draw at point K 90 degree at point K. Okay, so draw a half semicircle at point K. Now draw 60 degree, draw 120 degree, draw one arc like this, and from 120 bisect this arc. Okay, so this is 90 degree at point K. Okay, now what we will do, see, OY is 5 centimeter and also KA is 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter on your scale, on your rounder. Okay, take 5 centimeter on your rounder. Yes, now take point O as a center and draw one arc like this from point O and also from point K. Now name it as OY and KA. Okay, now join this YA. So this is our required rectangle OKAY.